Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Tonight I wanted to do something nice for dinner because Shayna's been house and dog sitting for most of the last week. We haven't seen her much, so I wanted to do something a little bit nicer. So I'm going to make chicken breasts that are stuffed with a sun-dried tomato and Parmesan crostini spread, and this is something I got from World Market, but anything like this or make your own would work too. So I'm gonna get started and show you how I'm going to do this. The first thing I'm going to do is mix up some of this sun-dried tomato and Parmesan crostini. And I'm going to mix in a little bit of garlic. It has a really good taste, but I love garlic. So I think I'm going to use maybe half of this. You know, it never takes as much as you think to stuff the chicken breast. Usually it all comes out and makes a big mess. And it probably will anyway, but I don't mind. So I'm just going to add some dehydrated minced garlic. It's going to have plenty of time and moisture to rehydrate as the filling in these chicken breasts, and it's also going to have time for the flavors to really meld together. Now I'm going to just set that aside. And I bought these at our new organic grocery store. I love that place. These are farm fresh chicken breast. And there are no growth hormones, minimally processed, no artificial ingredients, no added enhancements or solutions. And it says they're grown, butchered, and packed in the US. And I really like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim off anything that needs to be trimmed, but that came right off. And all I'm going to do is cut a slit, and these are huge. All of these that they had at that store were huge. And the price, at least for us, isn't bad at $1.99 a pound. Not bad for here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to now take some of that, and I'm trying to keep one hand dirty, one clean. And just kind of spread it out a little bit. And then I'm going to take, these are half slices of provolone cheese, which I love. You know, I'm kind of broke. And I'm just going to put that inside there. And I hope you can see this. Put some toothpicks to hold it together. And then I'm going to put that in the baking dish that I have sprayed with nonstick spray. And then I'm going to do the other two. So let me get to that, and I will come back and show you what they look like when I put them in the oven. I've got these 3 chicken breasts stuffed and in the pan. There's just a little bit of the filling left, so I'm just going to kind of spread that on top because it's got a nice olive oil base So I'm just gonna put that little bit that's left. And these chicken breasts are so large. These are probably going to make 2 meals easily. Okay. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of an Italian seasoning on top. This one is from Tastefully Simple, and it's the rustic herb, but use whatever seasoning you like. I just have this handy, so I'm going to use it. Alright, now I'm going to put these in the oven and bake them till they're completely done in the center, and we'll come back when they're all finished. Well, here are these beautiful chicken breasts, and I'm not doing a taste test just because I'm going to sit down with my family and we're going to enjoy this as a meal together, which we haven't been able to do a whole lot because of our schedules. But I can already tell they're going to be amazing, and it smells amazing. So thank you so much for watching and being a part of Vickie's Country Home. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share. And if you subscribe, hit that little notification bell and be sure and select all notifications. And we will talk again soon. God bless.